This is not a mountain today. I'm in Whitehead, or Whitehead by the sea, as some of the locals might insist in calling it, because it's by the sea. Whitehead is this really picturesque coastal seaside town, and the interesting thing about it is that it was originally built as like a Victorian holiday destination. So loads of the buildings here are like old Victorian styles, red brick and things like that. There's a really nice railway station, but my destination is, you can see way up that way, that white speck, that's the Blackhead Lighthouse, and just beneath it is the Blackhead Coastal Path, which just reopened this year. It's just really cool. Well, I'll show you it when we get there, because we're going to run all the way out there. It's a nice flat fast run. Thought I'd start here and show off the town a bit, because it is just beautiful. I've got the Insta360 1X Mark II with me, I've got my GoPro with me, I've got my drone in my backpack to get shots to the lighthouse when we get there. So let's go. Off the railway bridge and down onto the promenade with its candy coloured houses. This is how you can tell that filming is going on, because it's always G&H television services. Well, I'm glad I didn't park down there. That was my Car Park BBC filming something, apparently. Don't know what, looked like a TV series because it had all the big production vans there. Maybe it's Line of Duty. Fella. Ooh, there we go, look. First glimpse of the lighthouse. This is where we leave the town and get onto the newly opened coastal path. This path, well, a big section of it collapsed into the sea last year, kind of all the way along here, and this whole section, these massive rocks. This has all been rebuilt, but this is a great section to run because it's totally flat and there's a wind in my back, so it should be pretty fast. What would you not give? What would you not give to live somewhere like that? Okay, we're just about on the cliff path, and I've got the Insta360 Mark II with me and two selfie sticks that I'm going to join together, so you're going to get like a crazy view all the way through here. This is the most interesting bit. We're going through a cave. And now we have to climb a lot of steps to get up to the lighthouse. Yeah, this place is amazing. I didn't even know this existed like 3 years ago. I hadn't even been in Whitehead, I think, until a couple of years ago. I'd heard of the town, but I'd just never been it before. It's just such a beautiful place, and all within like a really short area as well. It's like 4 miles. This bit's kind of scary though, because if you look right down there, it's a straight drop right down to the cliff path. Oh, and thank you very much to the two women who were sitting here when I arrived. This was way too close to take off. Normally I kind of explained what I was doing and said, would you mind if I flew a drone? They're like, no, go on ahead. And then asked me lots of questions, so they're very curious, so that's good. Sometimes you get a bit of resistance, but it's always good when people are interested in what you're doing and not just against it. So you've now seen the best part of this run, but I'm going to video a little bit more as I go around past the lighthouse and then back down onto the coastal path.
Under your wing, everything is alright. Nothing ever will be quite the same.
Hi sheep. Hello. Those sheep could not have cared less. Oh, vines of indifference.
I will stay, never go away.
Don't slip. Stena ferries there. I've been sponsored by P&O Ferries, but never Stena. Get in line. There we go. That is the Blackhead Coastal Path. I think we'll end there because we found this, which has got some actual information about the stuff around there. McCartney's Cave. And they even put on some extra special activities on the walk. Falling rocks. I mean, how generous. You just can't get more generous than that. Just those little added extras that make this into, you know, an absolutely spectacular run. Okay, I think that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. This is such a fun little 5 mile flat fast, also with climbing and scrambling and coastal stuff and caves and lighthouses. Just such a great run. If you ever get a chance, come to Whitehead and run along there. That's it for this video. If you like this video, have a look around the channel. I've got loads of other running videos on here. And I kind of specialise in making videos with tiny cameras, so I used the GoPro Hero 9 Black today, the Insta360 1X Mark II, and in my backpack I had the DJI Mavic Air 2. So if you want to see videos with those cameras or other things, go have a look around the channel. But just let you in a secret, the real reason I'm stopping here is because I was actually scouting out this location to shoot something for a client project that I'm not allowed to talk about. So I'm going to go do that now, and you can have a look around the channel. Bye bye.